I can see it all happening. A little turn. Now side to side. Other people can sing. Skirts on kittens, white copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up in string. These are a few of my favorite things.
We talk out here for a minute.
She's fantastic. What are you talking about?
I think she sings funny.
Oh, God.
And her dancing's not all that great either.
First of all, it's the first time she did it, okay? Bum, 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 bum.
Yeah, but I had the kettle by then because she didn't take the kettle, so I was stuck.
You want me to take the kettle?
No, I don't. I just want Kathy to put it over here. This is, you say these words, and then, boom, you just put your hands out, and there they are. They're there. These are a few of my favorite things. Please don't drop the props, Kathy.
Yeah. Collared ponies and apple strudels and sleigh bells and swing.
Wait. Why are you putting it on her head, though? I'm a little confused.
I don't know. It was because she's not going to pick it up. It
Kind of looks like you're trying to put a hat on her head or something.
You're fantastic. You just have to listen to your heart, Gwalda.
I don't want you to call me Gwalda.
Okay, Paul, please.
You're Gwalda to me.
Let's do some sound effects. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad.
When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad.
And then I don't feel so bad. Wait! I told you no tapping. The sound of music.
It really needs rhythm. It's like drums or something.
Everybody's doing a great job. Really?
Oh, hello, Selma. Come here. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. You know what it's down?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try this one.
F-E-Z-D.
Maybe even this one.
D-E-F-P-O.
I think you can work that machine safely. I'll write a note to the plant and let them know.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
So long, farewell, out of the chair. I'd like to stay and taste my fresh champagne. So long, farewell, out of the chair.
We lost 5 hours because some idiot broke a machine. Bill's here.
So?
Well, he's here with Gene.
Oh, that sounds like bad news. What are you going to do?
Well, I guess I gotta tell her, don't I?
So long.
You can't bring the script to work, Selma. Keep your eyes on the machine, okay?
Yeah? Sure.
Bill's here.
Bill.
He's here with Gene.
Not again.
You gotta come right back, okay?
Don't be too worried. We're gonna work this out. Here she comes.
Why are you not in school?
Oh.
When I say so, you go to school. Do you think I joke? You have to study.
Come on, Selma. Stop.
We talked about this, didn't we talk about it?
You're hanging out with those automobile thieves. So what?
Learning. Somebody's learning.
Come on.
Jean, this is the most important thing. You have to go to school.
Selma, I can drive him back to school if you like.
Since when was that your business? What are you doing here?
If you need a ride home.
I don't even punch out until after another 2 hours.
Well, sometimes you punch out around this time.
I never punch out early. Don't need a dumb. Don't need a ride.
In your little head.
All right, come on, Mr. G, let's get you to school.
Thank you, but I'll just ride my bike. Bye, Jeff.
She likes you. I'm sure of it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure of it.
This is my punishment, that you helped me with this. And you forgot to make your bed as well. And you forgot to wrap up the bread 2 times. There's no more of that. You keep reading.
So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, adieu, 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 to you and you and you.
To you and you. What does that mean? You
It's your damn musical.
and you.
It's German.
Do you think?
Mm.
You want some more ketchup?
No.
Are you tired?
What should you always ask me so stupid questions?
Shall I show you my step? So long, farewell, everything's in my dream. So long. Oh, hi. Hi, Jean.
How's the dancing?
Oh, good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to come over to me and Bill's place and listen to some music?
That would be lovely. But we couldn't.
Come on.
Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Should ask Bill about his money. Linda likes it when we talk about that.
You're doing a very nice job with these.
How about that?
You have to be very careful not to bend the card.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, I don't get paid for it.
No.
That's fair because the people in the shops would never want to buy it if it's bent.
Well, you wouldn't buy it if it was bent.
That's true. I
You wouldn't buy
wouldn't.
anything
No.
if it was bent.
No.
In Czechoslovakia, I saw a film and they were eating candy from a tin just like this. And
No.
I thought to myself, how wonderful it must be in the United States.
Yeah? You think my house looks like a movie?
Our house looks
Yeah.
like a movie.
And you look like a movie star.
Bill gives me a lot of money. You know?
And of course, it's all that money you inherited, isn't it, Bill?
That's
That's
right.
right.
Hey, Selma. Take the rest with you.
Are you sure?
Go on.
got rent. Oh, you always pay right on time. Now, don't worry about Gene. I'll get him off to school, okay? Thank you. Thanks very much. I'll be back. Bye. Bye. I think you're always so serious, Kathy.
Oh, again with that.
I don't think inside you're serious at all.
I don't know. Not always.
Gualda.
Why do you call me that?
It's like someone who's... What? I don't know, just big and happy.
Hey, I'm not that big. Happy, I don't know.
Just need someone to pull it out.
You're getting to be unhappy with me.
Beautiful eyes.
Yeah. But he's not really happy, is he? How's she doing?
It's when she cannot keep up. And she's going to faint.
What?
She fainted.
Please be quiet.
Oh, give us a break. She doesn't see that well.
I paid good money to see this film.
Oh, so did she.
I love it when they dance.
Pete's sake, it's a musical. Of course they're dancing.
We know that.
Oh, you're so smart.
Yes.
Oh.
I think you made friends, Kathy.
So what did she say?
What?
What did she say?
She didn't say anything.
Are you trying to tell me something?
It's about the bike.
A bike?
The bike.
I cannot give Gene a bike. Is this his idea?
It is not his idea.
Gene?
Yeah?
Did you ask him to come over?
No.
No, he doesn't know anything, Selma,
He doesn't.
frankly.
Why have I done something?
No. I haven't got the money.
But I'm almost the only kid in class who doesn't have a bike. I even know a boy who's got a scooter.
You all know I haven't got any money. All the extra money I've got, the times I manage to save up, I send it to Grandpa.
Come and have a look.
I'm not going to get
Your
expensive
mother
things
is
for
only
him.
teasing. Look what she's brought for you.
It's a bike. We cannot accept that.
Selma, it was second
I
hand.
can't give him any expensive things.
Yeah, but what are we going
I
to
can't even give it
now?
for his birthday.
Yeah, but
He's
well,
just
that's
got to
why.
accept that. I'm not that sort of mum. I'm just not that kind of mother. Gene,
Can't you be that kind of a mother?
It's not exactly a scooter.
Well, we'll see. We'll see, Mr. V.
Careful! Careful!
Hey, Gene, bring it over here.
He looks very happy, doesn't he?
He does look happy.
Here he comes again. Attention.
Bring it over here.
Mom.
Okay.
Did you hear what she said?
Did you say okay?
Yeah.
Did you say okay?
Yeah.
I promise to go to school.
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Every day. On time. I didn't know you were such a good biker.
Rust and women are the same.
Rust and women are the same?
They are the same.
Your father said that.
Yeah. I don't know what it meant.
So kind. Look at me. He did all the work, you know. He's really kind. Thank you, Jam.
You're welcome.
You put it on your bed.
Come in. Something up, Bill.
No, I just couldn't sleep, that's all. I have no money. All the money that I inherited it's gone. And Linda. Linda. She just spends and spends. And my salary is nowhere near enough. I can't say no to her. The bank is going to repossess the house. Because I'm so far behind on the payments. And I'm going to lose Linda. I know it. I know I am.
She loves you, Bill. Don't cry.
I shouldn't have told you.
Don't worry.
I shouldn't have told you.
It's okay. Don't worry.
So you've got enough stuff.
Would it make you feel better if I told you a secret?
What secret could you tell me?
I'm going blind. Not yet, but soon. Maybe sometime this year. It's not as bad as it sounds. It's a family thing.
But blind.
I've always known it. From I was a little girl, I knew.
And you're okay?
Well, I came to America because in America they can give Gene an operation, you know?
Gene?
But he doesn't know about it. You mustn't tell him, because then it could get worse. I just have to save up money, you know, enough money to... Oh, I almost got it. For the operation. They can operate on Gene when he turns 13.
And you made up that story about your father?
I never had a father. I made up his name, too.
And that's why you put in all these hours and do all these pins and do everything you do. For him. For his operation.
Well, it is my fault, I guess.
Well, how is it your fault?
Because I knew he would have bad eyes like me. But I had him all the same.
You're very strong.
I'm not strong. I got little games I play when it goes really hard. When I'm working in the factory. And the machines, they make these rhythms. And I just start dreaming and it all becomes music. But you like the movies, don't you?
I love the movies.
Yeah?
I just love the musicals.
Oh, when they're all tap dancing?
All of them tap dancing. All of them, these huge, long lines. Wouldn't you like to be in that big line?
Yeah.
Just kicking your feet up there.
Yeah. When they're like spiraling up, the huge, enormous wedding cakes to the top.
Yeah.
But isn't it annoying when they do the last song in the films, though?
Why?
Because you just know when it goes really big and the camera goes like out of the roof and you just know it's going to end. I hate that. I really hate that. I used to cheat on that when I was a little girl back in Czechoslovakia. I would leave the cinema just after the next to last song and the film would just go on forever. It's lovely, isn't it?
It is lovely. Selma,
Yeah.
thank you for telling me your secret.
Thanks for telling me yours.
Mom's the word, right?
Mum?
We don't tell anybody?
Oh, yes. I won't tell anyone. Oh, thank you.
So, can I get you another?
Yeah, sure.
How about a big one?
How many is there in a big one?
10,000?
I'll have a big one.
What's this guy's name again?
Who?
The old man, your old man. The guy we're carding these pins for.
Your father? I know. Aldrich, right?
Yeah.
Aldrich Novi. He used to dance in Prague.
You commies make a big deal out of sharing everything.
Yeah. It's a good thing.
What are you doing here if Czechoslovakia is so much better than the US of A?
Selma, no. There are 2 plates. It's all right.
You know what happens when you put 2 plates in, don't you?
Well, she didn't do it. I mean, it didn't
You
happen.
destroy the tool. It takes a whole day to mend. Never 2 plates, Selma. Never.
You cheated the doctor. You shouldn't be working at the press at all. I mean, how dare you just... How much can you see?
I could do my job with my eyes closed. So could you.
No.
It's just because I was daydreaming.
Daydreaming? Dreaming about what?
Well, I just hear music.
Come on, I mean,
It's the
Selma,
rhythm.
music. You could also cut off your hand just like that. You have to watch out every second. Promise me you'll stay awake.
I promise I will stop daydreaming.
Oh, you're not... you repeat, but you don't even listen to me. I don't know why I bother that much.
Hi, Selma. If you're not going with Kathy, can I give you a lift?
I don't want a boyfriend. Like I told you.
Yeah.
You're a really nice guy, Jeff, but I just don't have time for a boyfriend. Not right now.
I don't know.
If I wanted a boyfriend, it would be you, Jeff. I just don't want one right now.
No problem, you know, on the back to have the bike there.
Yeah. Bye, Jeff.
I don't think it's very safe, you know, to ride the bike wearing glasses and all.
Bye,
Selma?
Jeff.
Huh? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, something?
Hi, Bill.
Headed home?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Want to start in the back?
Oh, that would be lovely. Yes, please.
Hi, Jeff.
Hey, did you see the truck?
No?
Like, driving like crazy.
What?
He's driving like crazy here. Getting dirty.
Bye, Jeff.
Bye. Thank you, Bill. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
If I could just make the next payment, I'd have a bit more time.
Yeah.
All I need is a loan. Just be a month.
This money's genius. I'm sorry, Bill.
All right, I shouldn't have asked.
Don't worry, you should. There's no harm in asking.
No, I shouldn't have asked. Linda wants new couches. I could always shoot myself.
I mustn't say things like that.
It just make things easier.
You know that, Bill?
Oh, Selma.
You mustn't say things like that.
Tell her I'm kidding.
Hi, Selma. Come on in. Hi, Jean.
Good morning.
Hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Can I see the gun?
Yeah, go on.
He's got a gun.
Sure. He's a police officer.
Just didn't know he would keep it here in the house.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Keeps it in his desk.
Maybe I should pay more rent. It's been the same for the whole period I've been here.
No, Selma, I won't hear it. You keep your money. You need it more than we do.
Two boxes? Did you decide you are going to do two boxes at the same time now?
Yeah.
Selma, 10 o'clock then?
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
What happens at 10 o'clock?
I'm gonna do the night shift.
The night shift? You can hardly sleep well enough to do your own shift.
Suits me fine. It's just after drama class.
You are going to do that too? I've had my fill of you, Selma. You do what you want. Go ahead. Break your neck. You do your night shift. But don't think for 1 second I'm going to come and rescue you.
Selma? Kathy split already.
I'm not looking for Kathy. I was looking for you. Just have to go to a drama rehearsal. What do you say?
You always ride your bike, you have it over there.
I left it at home. I thought it'd be quicker if I walk.
How do you reckon that?
I just walk along the railroad tracks. It's a shortcut.
I don't understand. In musicals, why do they start to sing and dance all of a sudden? I mean, I don't suddenly start to sing and dance.
All right, Jeff, you don't.
The last thing on the list is the bake sale. 2 Sundays away. Hi, Selma. Come on in. Come on in. I'm going to introduce you to your understudy.
My understudy.
Yeah. This girl, Susan, who Boris knows, is a good singer. She's a good dancer.
Okay.
She'll learn your part, too. Because, say you get a cold and you can't do it, then the show doesn't have to stop. Okay? Susan, Selma, Susan. Could you take off your glasses? I think we'll do the part without glasses. Next Sunday, you will see both Marias. I mean, Selma will do the role, really, but I'll have you read part of it, too. Right?
It's your first time on the night shift, right?
Yes,
While
it is.
this is being pressed, you'll be cutting on the other machine. That means you'll be in charge of 2 machines. You have to beat Sarah over there, right? This pallet must never be empty.
Is it always so dark in here?
What?
Is it always so dark in here?
It's exactly the same as the daytime.
Okay.
The only thing is that you have to work a little faster. That's what you get paid for, right?
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
You have to work a little faster than this.
Okay. What are you doing here?
What do you think?
I didn't put you down for the night shift, Kathy.
Run along, Norman. I'm on my own time now. How I spend it is my own business.
Night, ladies.
Good night.
Faster. A little faster.
I like it better when you dance. You should dance more. Guarda.
I will dance when there is music.
Oh, Jeff is here. Hello, Jeff.
Hi, Kathy.
Do you live here?
Well, she might say yes to a ride when it's this late.
Maybe Kathy wants a ride.
No, it's all right.
What's that with your hand?
She gotta
cut my finger.
Yeah, it's going to be all right.
The plates are sharp. Night.
Careful.
I think I found a solution to our problem.
That makes me really happy.
It's nothing special. But I've made up my mind. I'm going to tell Linda. And I mean, after all, she loves me, and we'll just work it out together.
That sounds like a really good idea, Bill.
I'm sorry, I'll let you get to bed.
Guess I'm kind of tired. Thanks, Bill.
Good night, Summer.
Good night, Bill. Bill? What's happening now?
Here we go. Selma, you ready?
So long, farewell, Almeida say goodnight. I hate to go and leave this pretty sight.
Your Honor.
Cut, stop, please. This is Selma's entrance, okay? Yeah? Okay, Paul, please.
Let's hear the absurd little bird. It's
What do you think it is?
So long, farewell, Almeida say goodnight.
Kathy, what are you doing? This is Maria's entrance.
Yes, I'm sorry. It's my mistake.
Please, please, I don't have all night.
6 steps.
Let's take this a little more seriously. Good. Okay, I'm thinking maybe, Selma, you could take a little sort of circle around Boris on this next part. Unless you have something else you want to suggest. I'm open. Okay.
Samuel,
Yes?
I need to talk to you.
Oh, Selma, please. If it's about the drummer, I have been looking everywhere for a drummer.
It's
I
not about
promised
the
you...
drummer. It's not about the drummer. Just a quick word.
You want to go outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
And up in the nest she an absurd little bird is popping out to say cuckoo.
I'm not gonna play Maria.
What?
My heart just isn't in this. Like, I shouldn't be wasting my time on something that isn't that important, really. I've been watching Suzanne, and she's great. She's much better dancer than I am.
Terrific.
She's a great
Suzanne's
dancer.
terrific. I'm not denying that, but I thought you lived for musicals.
So you've been pretending the whole time?
Yes. I've just been pretending.
I don't know what else I could do with you. I've got everything cast right now.
Yeah.
The only part that's left is the old nun who lets Marie out of the convent gate. I don't think you'd want that part. There's no dancing in that.
She's quite serious then.
She's serious. Yeah, it's important for the part.
And not dancing, really. No.
I could put a little bit of dancing in there.
You think so?
I didn't have it in mind. You can have your tapping.
She could be just a little humorous once in a while, even though she's a nun.
You'll always be my perfect Maria.
Where are all the hairpins today?
I left them at home.
And she won't be playing Maria.
Yep.
What do you reckon I'm going to do if I can't ball you out for learning your lines on company time? 1, 2, 3.
What kind of a joke is that?
Well, she's reading me. I need a word with you.
We're talking right now.
All right. Come on.
Please sit down. You were off for the whole day. Everything stops when the machine breaks. You know that.
I can do my job just fine if I stick to the day shift. This won't happen again. I daydream too much. I decided to quit. And I guess then I forgot.
I've been ordered to let you go, Sumner.
You're not going to have to pay for the machine you broke. I got him to agree to that.
Oh, thanks, Norman.
This is your salary. And you know, maybe we can find you something away from the machines where your eyesight wouldn't matter so much. Not right away.
That's very kind of you. But I'll be okay. I really will. Thanks, Norman.
Thank you, Sumner.
Thank you.
What is she going to do now? Did you ever think about that?
Don't worry, Kathy, really. I'm gonna be fine. Has anybody seen Jeff today?
He's usually here early, Selma. Not this early.
It's a shame.
Selma! Selma! I could give you a lift if you want.
I will need a lift later. I need to do something important at 3. But you need to get your truck then, don't you?
Yeah.
Train's coming. Get off the track, Jeff. You have to be careful. Stay to your side.
Can't see, can you?
What is there to see? I've seen it all. I have seen the trees. I have seen the willow leaves dancing in the breeze. I've seen a man killed by his best friend and lives that were over before they were spent. I've seen what I was and I know what I'll be. I've seen it all. There is no more to see.
Seen elephants, kings, or Peru.
I'm happy to say I had better to do.
What about China? Have you seen the Great Wall?
All walls are great if the roof doesn't fall.
And the man you will marry, the home you will share.
To be honest, I really don't care.
You've never been to Niagara Falls.
I have seen water, it's water, that's all.
The Eiffel Tower, the Empire State.
My pulse was as high on my very first day.
Your grandson's hand as he plays with your hair.
To be honest, I really don't care. Keep laughter and reasons and dear and I've seen
can't see, can you?
See you at 3. I can see.
Jean hasn't come back yet.
I need to talk to Bill. He decided to take the day off to go to the bank for his box. Is he upstairs?
I know everything, Selma. Bill told me. I want you to move out.
I don't understand. What do you know?
That you came on to him. That you asked him into the trailer, but he turned you down. You've got nothing to say for yourself?
No. I want to talk to Bill. Hi, Bill.
Linda saw me go up to the trailer. I told her it was you who wanted to, that you'd fallen in love with me.
I know. She told me.
And what did you tell her?
Nothing.
You didn't tell her I was lying.
Mom still hers, right? Linda told me you went to the bank.
I went to the bank to ask for more time. But I couldn't do it. And I brought the box home instead. Linda always gets so proud when she sees me sitting in here with it.
But you have put my money in it, haven't you? To make it look like it's yours. But this is my money, Bill. I'm gonna have to take it.
Oh, you can have it back. No, you
Bill.
You can have it back in a month.
But I can't do that, Bill.
Selma.
I've decided to pay the doctor this afternoon. I can't save up more money. That's over now.
Jean doesn't even turn 13 until after Christmas.
It was $2,026.10 in the tin. I can't count it now, but I trust you. And then it's $30 I got to take, which makes it $2,056.10. It's not enough, but I'll have to do.
Selma.
Bye, Bill.
Selma, stop. I'm pointing my gun at you, Selma.
I don't believe you. Just trying to scare me. I can't see a gun.
Just feel it. Feel it. Just feel it. Feel it. Do you believe I have the gun?
I believe you. But it's my money.
No, it's my money. It's the money I had in my box. And you're trying to steal it from me. Selma! Selma! Selma, stop! Selma! Stop! Linda! Linda! Linda!
What's the matter, Bill?
She tried to steal our money. She knew I had the gun in my drawer, and she...
Is that why you wanted him from the money?
Run to the car and get my handcuffs. Who's the handcuffs? Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money, and I'll let you go.
Where should I go?
Just give me the money. Selma, just give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the...
No! No! No!
You shot me. No, Selma. You did the right thing. I should have done it myself. Kill me. Just kill me. You just be my friend. And show some mercy, please, and just kill me.
The handcuffs aren't in the car, Bill.
Show some mercy, someone just... Linda, run. Run up to Miller's farm. Just run up to Miller's farm. Call the station and tell them to hurry. Run! Get up there! Go to Miller's farm! If you want the money... you're gonna have to kill me.
Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
I'm gonna let it go. No. You just shoot me! Just shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me! Shoot me! Can't you just stand up and pull that goddamn trigger?
I have to take the money.
sun is gone to bed. The innocent are dreaming as you should sleepyhead, sleepyhead, sleepyhead.
I hurt you much more, so don't you worry.
I don't know what to do. Everything just feels so wrong.
Everything is fine. Just stay strong.
Silly Selma, you're the one to blame. You just did what you had to do. 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 The time it takes a tear to fall, a snake to shed its skin, is all the time that's needed to forgive. Forgive me.
You are forgiven. Come on, hurry.
You have to hurry up. I called the police. They're just down the road. They come for me. Why should I run? They'll take your money. Run for your boy. Silly Selma, you're the one to blame. You just did what you had to do. 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 Time it takes a tear to fall, a heart to miss a beat, a snake to shed its skin, a rose to grow a thorn, is all the time that's needed to forgive me.
Selma?
Jeff. What are you doing here? Is it already 3?
I'm not really. Hell, I'm always early.
You cut yourself again.
There's some blood on your blouse.
Strange. I couldn't feel it at all.
So, we're here now.
By the bus stop.
Yeah, bus stop. It's over there.
And the lake is here. Promise me that you won't follow me. Promise. Dobry wieczór, panie doktorze.
Dobry wieczór.
I would like to pay for the operation now. $2,056.10. I know it's not quite what you told me about, but it's all I could get together.
What last name shall I put on the receipt?
Oh, I don't need a receipt. I really don't.
I have to know the name of your son for when he comes in for his operation.
Novi. He will come and he will say that his name is Novi. And then you will know that he's been paid for.
Novi? Like Aldrich Novi, the tap dancer?
He's strange, isn't he?
He never really made it over here, did he? I saw his films when I was a kid. He was in the first musical I ever saw.
Same here.
Selma? It's Tuesday night. What about your rehearsal?
Yeah, I guess.
You want to go?
Yeah.
And maybe put your arm around her and a little bit of... Hi, Selma.
Hi, Samuel.
We weren't sure you'd show up, actually.
Sure I show up. Hi.
Nice to see you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
She's here. Yeah. Okay. 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 I think you could try it one more time for me.
But I should be going now. I think Gene might wonder where I am. Jeff, he hasn't seen me all day.
I think maybe we could do your scene. Let's do the tapping scene. Okay? We haven't done it in weeks, and we really need to rehearse it. And while you're here, we might as well take advantage of the time, please. Okay, let's do the tapping scene. You come off stage. Let me have the nuns up there. Imagine, you're going to do Selma's part for her for right now, right? You like it? We haven't done it for a while. Remember that part we did where you come to the convent gate to say goodbye to Maria?
Jeff. Gene was probably worried now. I haven't seen him all day. I'm sorry, Samuel, but...
Betty, come here for a second, please. The drummer that you wanted. Remember you asked me for a drummer? I found somebody. She's fantastic. Her name's Betty. She's right here for the first time tonight. Please meet her. This is Selma. This is Betty.
Hi,
You love
Betty.
her.
You play the drums? Yeah?
Tell her how long you've been studying.
2 years. Wow.
She's wonderful. You've got to stay and enjoy this. You've got to... Yep. I have an idea. Let's do the finale. I just remembered. You hate finales. No finale. I have a better idea. Climb Every Mountain, Part 1. Like Indians.
Why do I love it so much? What kind of magic is this? How come I can't help adore it? It's just another musical
will show that the defendant has not only perpetrated the most callous, well-planned homicide in recent memory, but is also a fundamentally selfish individual who cynically hides behind a handicap, devoid of sympathy for anybody but herself. This woman found trust and friendship when she sought refuge in our country, and the evidence will show that she has repaid such kindness with betrayal, robbery, and murder inflicted upon the very people who opened their homes and hearts to her. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the evidence will prove that she herself did not show that mercy she will ask of us. Is this the bag here, Detective?
Yes, the very same. Houston's blood was all over it.
Well, shortly before the homicide, I had a checkup on her vision and found that she was myopic. It's nearsighted.
Nearsighted, but she could see.
Yes.
She said communism was better for human beings.
She had nothing but contempt for our great country and its principles.
Apart from its musicals. She said the American ones were better.
So, the defendant preferred Hollywood to Vladivostok. I suppose that's an acknowledgement of sorts.
She just asked many times about the money.
She wanted to know where it was.
That's right.
She asked you about the gun.
Yes, she did.
She wanted to know where it was kept.
That's right. Bill was lying on the floor and he was wounded and
he was pleading for his life.
I beg you, I beg you. You showed him no mercy, Selma. You showed no mercy either.
Would you state your name for the record, please?
Selma Yaskova.
Now, Bill and Linda Houston were your friends. Is that right?
Yeah.
In fact, you lived in a trailer on their property.
Yeah.
And didn't they also take care of your young son when you were at work?
Yeah.
They bought him a birthday present recently. Is that right?
They got him a bike.
Right. Your sight was poor, you claim, contrary to the expert testimony we received. But you saw well enough to inflict 34 wounds on Bill Houston. So why did you kill him, actually? If I may be so bold to ask.
He asked me to.
He did. How intriguing. A man with a fine career and some wealth and a happy marriage. Why would this Bill Houston ask you to kill him?
I promised not to say.
Ah, well, that clears things up immensely. You promised you wouldn't say. Well, in that case, we'll just have to take your word for it when you say that the money you stole was your own, despite the fact that Bill Houston's savings also disappeared so mysteriously that same day. Just where did you get your money?
Well, I'd been saving up.
Oh, I suppose you could call it that. What were these savings to be used for? You never bought your son so much as a single birthday present, as we've heard.
Um,
Yes?
My father in Czechoslovakia.
Your father. And what, pray tell, is his name?
My father is Aldrich Novy.
So, we're meant to believe that you killed Bill Houston by inflicting 34 wounds on him because he asked you to. Just as we're meant to believe that you were blind when you did it, as we're meant to believe that it was your own savings that you stole from him, just as we're meant to believe that you sent all you had to your father back home, a man by the name of Aldrich Novy. Is that right?
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Yeshua. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've now heard from the defendant's own lips. You must believe her, just as you must believe her when she claims her father's name is Aldrich Novy. Your Honor, at this time the state calls to the witness stand Aldrich Novy. Please state your full name.
My name is Aldrich Novy.
And you used to live in Czechoslovakia.
That is right. I live now in California, as you know.
That's right. That's where we found you. What exactly is your relationship to the defendant?
I do not know her.
You don't know her. So you have not received money from her? Money that she says was so dearly earned?
No, I have not.
Perhaps you're not her father then.
No, I am not.
No. Well, if this relationship was made up by the defendant, then can you think of any way she might have come to know your name?
I was once well known in Czechoslovakia because of my profession.
Yes, Mr. Aldrich Novy, what is your profession? Maybe that can give us a clue to why this somewhat romantic, certainly communistic woman who worships Fred Astaire, but not his country, why she might have lied and misused your name to make everybody think that all her money was spent on a poor father and not on her own vanity. What is it that you did?
I was an actor. I made films. They were music.
Do I love you so much? What kind of magic is there? How come I can't help adore you? Like you were in a musical.
I didn't mind it at all that you were having a ball at my musical, and I was always there to catch you.
You were always there to catch me. You were always there to catch me. You were always there to catch me when I'd fall.
mind it at all. If you're having a ball, this is your musical. I'll always be there to catch you.
You will always be there to catch me.
I'll always be there to catch you.
You will always be there to catch me. When I fall.
Will the court please rise? The Honorable Judge A.D. Mantle presiding.
Have you reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will the defendant please rise?
We, the jury, find the defendant, Selma Jezkova, guilty of murder in the first degree, and hereby sentence her to death.
Is this the verdict of this jury? You fully understand that it must be unanimous.
We do, Your Honor.
Selma Jezkova, you are hereby sentenced to be taken from this place and confined in the state penitentiary until such time as you shall be executed by being hanged by the neck until you are dead. This court is adjourned.
All rise.
I've just heard about the Supreme Court decision.
Yeah, I just want to talk practical stuff. On Jean's birthday, he will receive a letter. And it's so important, Kathy, that he reads it really carefully. I need you to take care of that for me. Because I'm not going to be there when he gets it. You should not be afraid, because there's nothing to be afraid of, Kathy.
Listen, Jean wants to see you so badly. Won't you let him? Please.
There's nothing for him to see. He's got you now, Kathy. And there's one more thing. He has to call himself Novi. That's very important.
All right.
I know
Time's up, Selma.
I know it sounds a bit foolish. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before about all this. I just didn't dare to, because they would ruin everything.
But why does he have to call himself Novi?
Stop asking questions like that.
Please, let me tell Jean hello from you to him.
No.
I know you love your son very much.
I love him very much.
got a boy of my own back home.
You never told me that. Good night, Brenda.
Good night.
Say hi to your son for me.
Thank you, Selma.
Can I help you?
Did you once have a patient called Zhezhkova? Selma Zhezhkova?
Well, if it wasn't too long ago, I can check my records for you. Sorry, there's no one here by that name.
What about Novi?
I have good news for you.
What's that?
We found a new lawyer.
And he's going to get your case reopened. He says your lawyer was incompetent.
What do you mean?
Well, the case is going to be reopened. You won't get the death sentence.
Is that true?
Yes, new information has turned up.
What information?
Well, we know the whole story, Selma. But why didn't you tell us anything? You know, about the money for Jean's operation.
How did you find out?
Well, Jeff talked to the doctor.
Does Jean know? Have you told Jean?
No, I didn't.
But you've got a much better case now.
Very important, Kathy. His eyes might get worse from worrying. And then the operation won't work.
Don't you see that it would help you, you know, if they
Knew that you were trying to save your son from going blind. The lawyer will come and see you in 2 weeks' time.
Kathy, but you know they're hanging me in 1 week.
We know that, but he says that
You can apply for a stay. You know, most cases get one the first time. Well, you can smile.
Selma.
Yeah, it's just too much for me. I thought I was strong. I just can't take it, can I?
Apply for a stay.
What if they don't phone?
Well, you'll be transferred to the other cell block at some point tomorrow.
That's the cell block where they hang people.
Yeah. It's where they spend the last day.
And then they do the 107 steps. It's from that room to the gallows, isn't it?
That's what they say, Selma, but look, you're gonna get your stay. Why don't you try to think of something nice, all right?
It's just so quiet here.
What's that got to do with it, Selma?
You know, when I used to work in the factory, I used to dream that I was in a musical. Because in a musical, nothing dreadful ever happens. But it's so quiet here. Don't the prisoner march or something?
March? No.
Yeah?
No, they don't. There's not much noise around here, Selma, I know.
But later they turn on the radio.
No, there's no... They don't allow radio in the isolation block, Selma.
But I'd be listening to the ventilation shaft. I hear sometimes people singing there, like hymns or... That's not against the rules to listen, is it?
No. I wonder if maybe you're hearing the singing coming from the chapel.
Yeah?
Maybe you'll even get a sermon.
Yeah? And whiskers on kitten. Raindrops and roses and whiskers on kitten. Bright copper castles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with string. These are the few of my favorite things. Color powders and crisp apple strudels, dark bells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles. Wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are the few of my favorite things. When the bee stings, when the dog bites, when I'm feeling bad, I simply remember my favorite thing, and then I don't feel so sad.
Selma, you got your stay. You got the stay. so happy for you.
I'm your new legal counsel. My name is Luke, okay?
Oh, hi, Luke.
I'm quite sure I can get your sentence commuted. All I need is a signature stating you want the case reopened. And then I can get all the paperwork ready by tomorrow. There's a lot of things your other lawyer didn't do that I'm going to do. A lot of ground that wasn't covered that I'm going to cover. The fact that you were fighting for your boy is something we can really milk. I have some experience in cases like this. So.
That's what the attorney before said.
Ah, yeah. You see, he was appointed by the court. And you don't get the best legal counsel that way.
You were not appointed by the court.
I'm not appointed by the court,
Really?
no. You're gonna have to pay me. But, not to worry. That's been taken care of. I made a deal with your lady friend.
Deal.
Yeah, in regard to my fee. I've agreed to accept the amount that she said she could raise.
How much was it?
Well, I can tell you precisely because I received an envelope. It was $2,000 and...
$2,056.10.
That's it, precisely. Now, something here. I'd like to just sort of go over our tactics. I have a couple of questions to ask you.
If he doesn't have the operation next month, it's going to be too late. And he will never be able to see. This is what it's all about. So he can see his grandchildren, Kathy. Don't you understand?
Well, let me tell you
something.
The only thing that's important to me in my whole life, and you don't understand it, Kathy. It's just plain stupidity to waste that kind of money on a blind woman who's going to spend the rest of her life in jail.
But he needs his mother, you know, alive, no matter where.
You don't understand. He needs his eyes.
He needs his mother.
No!
Yes, alive.
No!
Listen to reason for one. Selma. Selma.
I listen to my heart.
I will go to the police. I will tell them that you stole the money from Bill. Yes, I will say that. I will tell them that you stole it from Bill, and then you will never see the money again. That will be gone for good. No operation, nothing, no mother, nothing.
You can have your money back. I just want to make sure that you fully comprehend what this means, this decision.
Yeah.
You fully realize what will happen.
Yeah. I've already asked for no more stays.
Once this starts, there's no stopping it. Do you understand me?
Yeah. I'm prepared.
Jean says thank you.
Thanks for what?
Some comic book on his birthday.
Can't buy him presents, say it's for me. You have to stop doing that, Jeff.
Maybe you can just phone him. Just say, something to him.
No, that's not a good idea.
He wants to be the one who's allowed to be there when it happens. And then they told him he's too young.
Put that crazy idea in his head anyway. I don't want him to be there.
I'd be there if you would.
And Kathy?
You know, Kathy, she's still angry.
If you think you can take it, I'd love you to be there. Don't cry, dear. Just don't worry, it's gonna be fine. Dear.
Why did you have him? You knew he would have the same disease as you.
I just want to hold the little baby. Just in my arms.
I love you.
It's time, Selma.
Your meal, Jeskova.
Selma Jaskova. It's time. Please stand.
She can walk on her own. Selma.
Afraid my legs aren't working very well.
You can do it, Selma.
Yeah.
I have a plan, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna stand up with me.
Yeah.
And you make some noise. It'll give you something to listen to.
Yeah. 107 steps.
Selma, listen to the mark.
I couldn't even do one.
You can do it.
I couldn't do it.
Now listen, Selma. I want you to do one. There, one. Come on. Listen. 2.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 7.
Selma Jaskova, do you have any last words? Very well. Proceed.
Selma, you okay? It's okay, Selma. Come on now.
Use the board.
No, wait. Give her a chair. She can stand up. She can stand.
Here.
It's okay.
Take the straps from her hair.
I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Mark.
I can't do it.
It's okay.
I have to breathe. Nobody told me about the hood.
It's just so you can't see.
I can't breathe.
I know.
I can't breathe.
Look.
I can't breathe. No, I have to breathe.
Look, she can't breathe.
No.
She can't breathe. I'm taking it.
Look,
This is irregular.
I don't care if it's irregular, but she can't see.
We have
Can't you see the girl is
regulations.
blind? I don't
We
care
have
about the
to go by
regulations.
the
The girl is blind, for Christ's sake.
I'm gonna make a call.
Yeah, make the call.
Yeah, we have a situation here.
Gee.
The woman's blind.
I'll wait.
Gee.
Waiting for a call.
She. Gee! Gee! He's just outside. He gave me these for you. So he had the operation. He will see his grandchildren. He's just outside. You were right, Selma. Listen to your heart. Nothing to fear. I should have known. I was never. This isn't the last song. There's no violin. The choir is so quiet and no one takes a spin. This is the next to last song. And that's This isn't the last song. There's no violin. The choir is quiet and no one takes a spin. It's the next to last song. And that's
1.